absent?
Today absent Akram because he was ill.
What was our homework?
Our homework was write information about strange places in Kazakhstan.
Who want to eat? Diana.
Bacteria soil in Astana, known as Nursultan. Bacteria is a 105-meter tall monument that symbolizes the news about the bold tree and the magic bird of happiness.
Kazakhstan is a home to several strange places, in addition, many of which are lesser known, however, fascinational histories, in addition, mysteries. The Valley of the Wall, Mangostan region, Kazakhstan, the Door, the Hell, Lake Balkar. All these places unusual, in addition, mysterious places.
Thank you. Now we will watch a video about our Kazakhstan. What strange places to watch in video about Kazakhstan? Armas, please.
Astana is the most modern city in Kazakhstan. There is modern skyscrapers, Bacteria, Panjshir, big shopping malls.
Thank you. Very good answer.
Also, we can watch our traditional dishes such as borsa, kamas, bishparmak, and plov.
During Canyon Valley of Castles, a part of the canyon.
In your vocabulary notebooks and write new words.
Cozy, courtyard, disease, fairy,
What about our text?
Text
video.
Indonesia. In addition, cooked in Indonesia.
The first text will read first group, the second text will read second group. And the
This is where most of the Karawai people of Papua Indonesia live.
Very big tree houses can be up to 50, 100.
Where is located Karawai's house?
In Indonesia.
In Papua, Indonesia. Okay. How many height meters Karawai's house?
50 meters.
50 meters. Our next task, when diagrams, you must write similarities and differences about our text. If you finish your task, let me know.
Nature is vengeful and runs over 50 meters. And of course,
Houses are made by wood from height.
Thank you. Good job. Excellent. You answered very correctly. Our next task, catch butterfly. Question. They come up a long wooden pool. The Karawai do at night.
They chant and tell stories.
Yes. Excellent. How many sticks? No sticks? Okay, very good. In our first group, how many mistakes? One mistake. Our next task.
대일체육, 예체력, Courtyard, 아우로, 아울라.
침례, 드마콘.
Fair. Stop.
During our lesson, both of groups were really active and completed the tasks very well. They are marked excellent. Thank you. Thank you, students. Our lesson was interesting. Goodbye. See you next lesson.